they do finales here?
I think they do. Those are my favorite things right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when
It's
you-
the speed of
when
sound.
you said what?
That's pretty fast. Oh, gosh. Signal flare. Save us.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, America. America. Cat America.
I was gonna say if we head backwards,
I was gonna be so sad if we missed.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna kill my hands by recording all of this.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So when see how I like
Yeah.
where does it go?
It turns into like ash and then it slowly like just floats in the air.
Does it stay in there?
It touches the ground and everybody catches on fire.
From gravity.
And then everybody's like, I hope
That's why a
we
lot of
die
places in
in a
Colorado don't
fire.
Like Breckenridge and Westlake.
Yeah, bro, we're in Denver. Wait, isn't Denver in Colorado?
Not in
Denver is
Oh.
indeed in Colorado because that is where we landed.
We was in Denver.
We're indeed in Denver.
Why is the speed of sound so slow?
That's pretty.
How are you in shorts?
Actually, really well.
I don't like the car lights. They're blinding.
It's not as cool as I thought it would be. It's still cool.
It's fireworks, Ella. Of course they're cool.
No, cold.
Oh.
What?
This
Oh my gosh.
These fireworks about to play. Explode! Ignore my cute little laugh. Ooh, they should have Snoopy. A firework of Snoopy.
No, that would be so
We love Snoopy. Borgola, explosion.
How do you record
I don't have to hold the record button. I just tap it. I don't like the car lights. Could you just stop driving? Like, start floating. Wow. Epilepsy warning. Can you believe I'm recording all of this? Ooh, I like that one. It was bright. He's far away. Yeah. Wait, where are we now? We're not in Denver. Where are we? We're in Fairplay? Fairplay. Touche. Yeah, we're in Touche, guys. Caleb, how much of this have you recorded? Epilepsy warning number 3.
When I post this on cover, so I should probably give them a flash warning.
When I post this on YouTube, it's gonna be episode epilepsy. Cars, get out!
When they like do the like puff the movement. Like you think this is about to go away?
Explosion. Hey, they should have like a barrage. It's taking like 30 seconds to get here. Caleb, how do you have so much flash? Glare.
Oh, like his glare.
You blame my case for everything.
I heard we have
It's a
glare.
good case because it protects, but
Yeah.
your camera
I can't let them do that. They're gonna take
Also, my mother's songs my cat's warning. 4th episode epilepsy warning. They should put out Snoopy the dog. If we're gonna have to deal with this, at least bring us Snoopy.
Are you kidding me?
And now siren lights. Oh God, that was bright.
During the 4th of July.
They have the 4th of July lights on.
Honestly, that was probably from fireworks.
Somebody probably got hit by one. That's humanly impossible, but like the
No,
act.
because Quinn got it.
Oh yeah, I remember when Quinn got hit by a firework.
Yeah.
I never remember that because I wasn't there.
That was a year ago today. That's crazy.
These fireworks want to play. ba, 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 ba. Ignore my cute little laugh. Like. Okay. But what's up? And annoying. Dude.
Then the finale is gonna be crazy. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I got lazy of holding it, so I just set it up.
Seriously. Come on.
Oh, come on!
There it is. Oh, come on.
Come on.
You're so loud when you say that.
Yeah.
That's the point. I'm trying to be.
Car
loud.
coming. Flash warning.
I'm just gonna show that.
Epilepsy.
Oh yeah.
It looked kind of like that.
I like the one where it exploded into like a couple of things where they were huge.
Yeah.
I like that one. They should put Snoopy.
What?
They should make a Snoopy firework.
Like Snoopy?
Yeah,
No,
Snoopy
put
firework.
I put Snoopy.
Like a firework that explodes into the shape of Snoopy. You're in my camera! Ellie, you're in my camera!
Well, but like, it's been like 15 seconds since they last. Oh,
Told
there it is.
you.
Finale.
Extreme epilepsy!
Oh my god.
I love this. This is beautiful. Great 4th of July, guys. To my 14 subscribers.
Oh, and there's more.
Yeah!
Cars, dude. They're ruining everything.
I like this.
Now, this is a grand finale.
They should launch a.
Is that it? Is that it?
Yeah, my phone is catching the lingering.
I hate all these people.
Is that the end?
Who does such a thing? I think that's it.
That's good though.
Yeah.
That's